Hello everyone, how are we doing this? Well, I'm recording this on a Saturday, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, hello everyone, thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. And today we're going to do a lot of, let's say, little bits and jobs that we've got to do. We're going to spray the engine bay as well. I don't know if I'll record it because obviously I'm running on a new phone and I don't want to get it covered in dirt, but we'll see what happens. So we're going to get that done. Got a few questions to ask you all along the way, so please stay tuned in to help me out. And yeah, I don't know where it'll go. Yeah, let's just crack on, get the jobs done, ready for the engine to be sorted and get back in. But yeah, we will crack on today. Get the engine bay sprayed, put all the bits back on, finish off the wiring loom, get all that ready to, for the engine to go back in. And then we'll look at finishing off some jobs, some wiring inside, and then we will finish the rear brakes off and put the servo in on the front, put the brake pipes in, and then the servo and all the brakes will be ready apart from bleeding it. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that now, and I will see you all shortly. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for all the support recently and that, and yeah, we'll just run with it, see where it goes. Yeah, let's crack on with it. The carpet's out because working on the engine and bits and bobs. But my question is, so obviously this wiring loom, right? So this is coming to your dials. That plugs into the back of the dials. Then you have a flasher relay here, and then you have these connections. Right, so on the back of my dash, I've got a circle and I've got a spade. So are these two for the rev counter on my dash? Is that what they are, or what are they for? Please let me know. And what's this? It's got two wires. It's really chunky, like fat, and they're quite thicker cable compared to these ones. Actually, does one of these go on? Right, so there's one missing on here. So which one is it? Oh, flipping it, I'm actually really confused. Right, so these are just plain green, and this one's green with an orange stripe, and that's white with a black thing. So surely two of these wires go to my rev counter, which I think are these two here. But what goes on the other end of my flasher then? I'm going to replace it because obviously it's corroded and that. But is it this fat one, or is it this one? Please let me know. And I'm sure there's more questions I need to ask you all. Yeah, so if you could let me know what these wires are for. Like, I've one circle to a spade, but there's one missing on that, which I never realised, so that's going to be sorted. I've just got to connect this off the wire, like the wiper arms down the bottom, which plugs in like that there. Just got to plug that in. And then I need some other help on your heater. I've got these two cables up here. Oh wait, hold on, I got one from the... I'm just trying to think how I've done it. I think one comes out the heater. So I'm guessing, does this one from the heater just plug straight into a circle terminal? And then what's that for, the spade? Is that for a radio? That's brown, that's a green with a orange. Basically, I need help with the wiring loom. That's what we're establishing, because I really don't know. Next question. Sorry, there's so many questions. Poking the speedo cable through that. Right, so obviously a bung goes on there, which I've got on the old speedo cable. There. Right. Bought a new speedo cable, which is fine. But there's no bung. So, and there's no way I'm going to be able to push one of these ends off, because they're like crimped on. So do I nick the bung off that, and then does that push over this end, but then it won't go over there? I'm just trying to think, I don't actually know. So there's loads of jobs I need help with. Put a fog light down there, the switch and that. But I don't know if I'm going to have a fog light yet, because I can't. I need to buy one. What else? I think that's it for now. Yeah. please hit me up in the description and let me know what all these speed terminals are for. Thank you. Right, so I've done bits and bobs. As you can, let's see if we can get this camera in focus. Right, so as you can see, spun the car around and I painted this engine bay, now red. And as you can see, that hasn't had any polish or anything. It's not that bad. There's some little bits, but obviously it was brushed underneath, so there's some marks. But yeah, it's all painted. I've just finished off putting the servo in and the pipes, so that's finished. Inside's still the same. But what I've been doing is I have finished the brake pipe all the way along. It just needs straightening. And that side's finished brakes. I'm just finishing off this side. Handbrake works. Just got to put the pipe that goes from the cylinder up onto there. But obviously some of you haven't really seen underneath the car. But yeah, solid. I've just got to paint the subframe again. Yeah, little jobs, you know. All the little bits. But yeah, cracking on. I will update you in a bit. Right, and everyone, so I'm going to wrap the video up now. Just because really that today's been a day of just little bits, little jobs and that, which obviously I've finished the jobs. I'm now waiting to get the engine rebuilt, and when the engine's back in, then we can crack on. Like today, finished the brakes, which is good. The brakes now need bleeding, but apart from that, the brakes are finished. Put all the servo in there, bits and bobs in there, pipes, done the rear, handbrake works. So when the engine goes in, we should be able to move it a bit. Just pull the handbrake now and again, but not go far. What else are we doing? Yeah, if anyone knows about the wiring, please let me know. Like it's just a couple of wires, couple of colours and that I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah, if anyone's got any ideas, then please let me know. And yeah, if what I'm doing this video, the other thing I was going to say in this video is that if, like, what do you want to see? Like, what do you want off the channel? What sort of things do you want to see me doing and bits like that? So if you want to comment below what you'd like to see, so then I can work on it, because I know the videos aren't the best, which is why I want to bring more to you, and more content. So if you comment below what sort of thing you're thinking about, like what sort of thing you want, and then I can sort it out and then I can publish it and things like that. Please check the description for social media, shop, things like that. But yeah, all that I say is thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. I do hope to see you soon. And yeah, just bits and bobs video sort of thing, which hasn't been that interesting, so I apologise. But yeah, I'll be back soon anyway, and give you some more. So I'll see you shortly, and have a good week, have a good weekend and that. And yeah, make sure you comment, subscribe and like. See you soon. Thank you.